It's a Monday, and there's pretty much nobody out here today because it's Monday. And this is the very top of Dirk's. Basically, this is the bonus slab, which is just right up here. So a lot of times I'll use this slab as a guide to what I'm actually going to ride on Dirk's. So am I going to do the bottom bit or not? The top bit, the urinal, I'm not doing, but the bottom bit, I don't know. Anyways, if I got control down here, you'll see go down in a second, and maybe slab. You have to kind of walk up here unless you're Pete. And you can see the granite here is like super grippy. I'm just going so... I can't believe how slow I go sometimes, actually. Okay. That was pretty controlled, I gotta say. That could have been the slowest I've ever gone down there. And here we come to the next bit here. We'll have a little look. You get a nice view. You get a really nice view here. Okay, so I'm not doing straight over. I'm going to turn over and do a toilet bowl. Choices here. Well, hopefully everything is in order in this spot. Yeah, looks good. Oh, somebody's even done some work there. Thank you, whoever did it. My biggest Instagram on Dirk's crash is on this spine here. Let's see. I don't want to crash, but you never know. And I missed. Damn. Okay, gotta do that again. Do over. Ooh, that was a bit hairy. And then you used to have to pop off over there, but they made a new line. Made it a bit easier. All right, well, my control's pretty good. So I'm just gonna go for it, I guess. Full control, full front brake. And you got a little step a bit there. Oh, and this has changed. Ooh, is that a rodeo? Oh, I guess people didn't like that. Yeah, that was... Okay, so I came down on our right here. I usually would come down here, but I guess not enough people, I don't know. It's all good. Not bad, but I slid into the corner there. It looks like a berm's being made. It's all good. I'm not the trail builder out here, so I will just ride them. I'm not going to complain about them because I like them all. All right. And then down here on the left, Oh, I thought there used to be a ladder there, I think. I thought that was what maybe used to be there. Now it's rocks.